See, this was the first meeting I have had with the Director of Airport Authority of India. So he wanted to meet along with his team, and I was also busy going all around for various issues. So yesterday we finally met. The most important thing is about Dabolim. The whole focus was on Dabolim Airport. What I promised the Airport Authority of India at Dabolim is I will give my 200% to ensure that Dabolim Airport remains operational. That Dabolim Airport gets back its glory. What Dabolim was, what they have brought Dabolim to. Just because there is some conspiracy to ensure that all the business, all the flights shift from Dabolim to Mopa. That is very, very bad, very, very sad. सदांच एक म्हणणें आसा, सगळीं भुरगीं आवय बापायक एकूच. वो सरकार जो आसा, जो आवय बापूय आसा, ताणें प्रयत्न करपाक जाय दाबोली जावं मोपा. ताणें पार्शियलिटी करपाक उपकारना. जस्ट ए प्रायवेट प्लेयर आसा पळय मोपा, ताका हेल्प करपाक हें बिझनस थंय डायवर्ट करपाक. So when I was in Delhi, I met certain people who are there in aviation business. And ताणें म्हाका सांगलें, of course there is pressure. Under pressure, these airlines have shifted. Otherwise, simple example. Ata Air Arabia is to come at particular time. ताका थंय शिफ्ट जावपाची गरजच ना. ते शिफ्ट जाले आनी टायमींग सेम धरला. त्या एअरपोर्टार त्याच टायमार लँड जाता आनी ज्या टायमार दाबोलीम सान टेक ऑफ जाताले त्याच टायमार मोपा सान टेक ऑफ जाता. सो वॉट इज द बिग डील? म्हणजे कोणाचो हात आसा हातून. सेकंडली, यूज अ डेव्हलपमेंट फी पळय म्हणटा पळय, तो फीज आर लेस इन दाबोलीम. एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी हॅज ट्रायड देअर बेस्ट. आय रिमेंबर तांचो पळय द टॉप हेड हू इज देअर इन दिल्ली, ताजे कडेन मुलाखत जाली. हांव थंय डिस्कस केलां. पार्लमेंटानूय हांवें रेज केला दाबोलीचो ऑन 3 occasions. आनी हांवें ह्या एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी टिमांक सांगलां, वॉट एवर हेल्प दे वॉन्ट, आय वील बी देअर. बिकॉज दाबोलीम एअरपोर्ट म्हणजे ओवर 4 lakh people आर डिपेंडंट ऑन जॉब्स. जितले हॉटेल्स आसा साऊथ गोवाक जावं इवन नॉर्थ गोवाक, दे आर डिपेंडंट ऑन दाबोलीम एअरपोर्ट. टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर, मोटरसायकल पायलट, shack owners, धाकटे घाडे आसा, all this economy revolves around Dabolim Airport. And this is a unique place in the world. There is airport, there is railways, there is port, there is bus stand. The bus stand म्हणजे ताजे उलयना जाल्यार बरें. But this is what it is. The uniqueness of Vasco, the most well planned city, ताजे आयज कितें स्टेट केल्ली आसा. So I have told them, we will involve all the stakeholders, be it the tourism industry, be it the taxi owners, be it the motorcycle pilots, be it the hoteliers. Everybody will be taken into confidence and we will make Dabolim the best airport in the country. That's my promise.